Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to download Instagram application on your smartphone whether you are using Android or iOS. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your mobile devices. Also make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet. In the search bar inside the Play Store or the App Store, type in Instagram and search. From the search result, look for the Instagram app, which looks like this, and then tap on the Get or the Install button. Or you may also see a cloud icon if you've previously installed Instagram on your device. Tap on that icon and then wait for the app to install. It will take a couple of minutes for the app to install. After you are done, tap on the Open button to start. That's how you easily download Instagram right on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.